Hello everyone, this is Harpit Khattar, founder and director of SecuLabs and Herx Technologies Private Limited. Today we all welcome you to the initiative of Well-Being by PBN, wherein we would be keen to deliver specialized tips for all of you for securing your all digital identities and social media accounts. Starting from Gmail. How to secure your Gmail ID. We all very often use our Gmail account for all of our documentation purpose or mobile phone account or our bank accounts. So it is very important for all users of Gmail to take care of their data in their Gmail account, because once it is hacked, you are left with no other option. For securing your Gmail account, you have to get a close watch on your Gmail settings. In Gmail settings, you will find the security tab, under which you will get two options. One is using two-step verification process. Two-step verification is a process wherein you will try to log in with your actual Gmail username and password, and Gmail will send a prompt SMS to your registered mobile number which you have registered with your Gmail account. Only after that 6-digit code, user will be able to log into your Gmail account, which is not possible without your authorization. Next is using a mobile phone tab feature, wherein you are using your personal mobile phone for your Gmail ID and you register that smartphone into your Gmail account, in which Gmail will send a tab prompt on your phone. Only if you have that phone in your hand, then only you will be able to log into your Gmail account. So no auspicious or suspicious activity can happen without your authorization. The most important fact beyond all this is to carry a backup code with you anywhere you go, because in the case of where your phone is not reachable or working, or your SIM is not working and you want to log into your Gmail account, you have to use those backup codes option, which are temporary codes provided to you by Gmail. These are 10 sets of code you can use only one time. Then you'll have to generate it again once you have the access of your account. Next tip from our side will be the most important platform, that is Facebook. We all maintain our Facebook account very well, and it is very important to safeguard your activities over social media. You must go to social media settings, that is your Facebook settings, wherein Facebook also provides you a two-step verification feature similar to Gmail. Along with that, you should keep a close watch on all the settings tab of Facebook, wherein you will get multiple options to secure your social media account. Just like, for an example, somebody can post something on your wall. It is very common in cybercrime activities today that hackers tend to post something vulnerable to your well-being identity on your social media wall to defame you. Prohibit them. Just close the anybody can post option on your settings tab on your timeline. These are few examples. We'll cover all the examples in our coming session by sponsored by Well-Being by PBN, which will help you secure your digital identity over all the social media and your smartphone. Next is your Instagram. We all are Instagram users, and people are very good influencers nowadays. The most important tip from my side is never ever share your password of Instagram with anybody, even your close mate, because once you share that password, even after you change your password, you can't remove access from that person's smartphone, because if somehow he or she has linked your account to their personal account, they will be able to access your account forever. They can hack your account forever. So take care of your password, because it is your personal account. In the coming series, we will be giving you 100% adequate resources wherein you can get to know how to secure your social media, how to secure your Gmail in depth, and most important, how to secure your smartphone in all senses, because I belong to cyber crime investigation and cyber security trade, so I know it very well that hackers can have a close look to all of your activities even without letting you know about it. So we would be really happy and we are thankful by the initiative of PBN, that is Wellbeing by PBN, wherein they are giving a free of cost series of session to all of you to safeguard yourself in the harsh time of COVID-19, wherein you have to be digitalized to interact and work online. So for any other queries, or if you want any customized topic to be covered under our awareness program going on, kindly post your queries and doubts in the comment section below, so that in the upcoming session we can cover all the sessions as per our expertise. Thank you so much.